how to fix Uber Eats promo code error. So I'm going to show you a few things that you can do. First, load up your Uber Eats app. In here, what we want to do is just click on account found in the bottom right corner. Once we have clicked on account, we will go into the promotions here. And a few things that you have to check before you actually input your promo code is the location. So is your promo code applicable in your location? As well as the currency of the promo code. So for example, if you're using dollars, then is your promo code in dollars and not in euros or other currencies? And the last thing that you have to check is the expiration date. So is your promo code still valid? Now, after you have made sure that you follow all of these qualifications or that you meet all of these criteria, then what you can do if your promo code still doesn't work is just go back here and we're gonna click on wallet. And we need to change our payment method. So for example, if you're using debit or credit card, you can choose any of these other payment methods. And some people have reported that their promo codes suddenly work if you use PayPal. So if you try to connect PayPal here, and if you have a PayPal account, then you can use PayPal and your promo code should work. But you can also try any of these other payment methods as well. So changing your payment method should fix your promo code error on Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.